One of the biggest reasons people avoid email marketing is because they don't know what to write. But with AI Scale Stack, that problem disappears. This system gives you custom AI bots that do the writing for you. Instead of staring at a blank screen, you'll have ready-to-send emails created automatically. Emails designed to grow your list, engage your subscribers, and generate consistent income. The best part? You don't need a product, a niche, or even experience. AI Scale Stack is a plug and play, so you can launch your email marketing business in days, not months. And you can manage it all in less than 30 minutes a day, even if you're just starting out. And because it's back with a money back guarantee, there's zero risk in trying it for yourself. If you're ready to finally start email marketing without worrying about what to write, click my link in the description and join AI Scale Stack today.